Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we'll be doing a short practice that you can do daily to just release stress and calm your nervous system. So once you are ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. Let us come into an easy cross-legged sitting position on the mat. Ground your sit bones into the mat. Bring your hands on the knees and gently close your eyes. Let us start by bringing our attention to our breath. Observe your natural breath as you inhale and exhale. Observing the rhythm, whether the breath feels fast or slow, deep or shallow, long or short. Now bring your attention to the sounds around you. Observe the sounds furthest away from you. Sounds outside the house. Then bring your attention to the sounds inside the house. Then listen to the sounds just outside the room. And then the sounds inside the room. And finally bring your attention to the sound of your own breath. Observe the sound of your breath as you inhale and exhale. Now, with the next inhalation, take a deep breath in through the nose and slowly exhale out through the mouth. Again, inhale deeply through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Keep going on. Inhale and exhale through the mouth. Last one. Take a deep breath in through the nose and slowly exhale through the mouth. Now let's slowly open the eyes and we'll start the practice. Now as you inhale, extend both the arms up, stretching up, looking towards the hands. Exhale, bring the hands to heart center. Again, inhale, extend the arms up, looking up. Exhale, bring the hands down, keeping the gaze at the hands. Once more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Take both the hands behind the back, grabbing the right wrist with the left. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward, bringing the forehead onto the mat. And let's stay here for 3 deep breaths. Breathing into the lower back and the hips. And then slowly come back up. Now from here, let's come into a tabletop position, bringing the hands under the shoulders, knees below the hips, keeping the knees hip distance wide. We'll get into a cat-cow stretch. You inhale, lift the tailbone, extend the spine and look up. Exhale, tuck the tailbone in, curl the spine and bring chin to chest. Again, inhale, extend up, looking up. Exhale, curl down, bringing chin to chest. We'll do it 3 more times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down, creating space between each vertebrae. Last time, inhale up. Exhale down. And come back to center. Now we'll get into a twist. Bring the right hand to the center. Inhale, extend the left arm up. Exhale, needle it under the right arm and bring the left shoulder on the mat to come into a twist. You can straighten the right arm to take it overhead. Staying here for 3, 2, 1 and come back up. Let's repeat it for the other side. Bring the left hand to the center. Inhale, extend the right arm up. Exhale, needle it under and come into a twist, bringing the right shoulder on the mat. Breathing into your upper back. And slowly come back up and relax. Now take the knees slightly out and let's start rotating the hips in clockwise direction. Going for 5, 4, 3. Breathing into the hips. And let's reverse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and come back to center. From here, keeping the knees wide, let's push the hips back and bring the forehead on the mat, coming into child's pose. Let's stay in child's pose, breathing into our hips, lower back, back of the chest, and the space between the shoulder blades. Surrendering to the mat. And then slowly come back up into tabletop position. Now step the right foot on the outside of the right hand. Take a deep breath in and start pushing the hips forward, coming into a low lunge. Now you can stay here if the stretch in the left quad is already intense. Otherwise, you can bend the left knee and grab the left foot with the right hand, getting a nice stretch in the left hip flexor and left quad. Breathing into the stretch and then gently release. Let's do it for the other side. Step the left foot forward on the outside of the left hand, pushing the hips forward, breathing into the stretch in the right quad. And then if you want, bending the right knee and grabbing the right foot with the left hand. And then slowly release and step the left foot back and come onto the mat. Extend the right leg straight out and bend the left knee, bringing the left foot close to the perineum. Inhale, extend the arms up. Exhale, start folding forward, grabbing the right shin or the foot. Try to keep the right foot flexed, breathing into the back of the right leg. Slowly come back. We'll do it once more. Inhale, extend the arms up. Exhale, fold forward, breathing into the right hamstring. And slowly come back up. Now open towards the left side. Bring the right hand on the inside of the right shin. Inhale, extend the left arm up. Exhale, bend towards the right. Breathe into the stretch on the left side of the body, keeping the right foot flexed. For 3, 2, 1. And slowly come back. Bring the left hand on the outside of the left hip. And as you inhale, extend the right arm up, getting a counter stretch. And slowly bring the right hand down. Let's repeat this on the other side. Extend the left leg straight out, bringing the right foot in. Inhale, extend the arms up. Exhale, bend forward in Janu Shirshasana. Breathing into the back of the left leg. and come back up once more. Inhale, extend the arms up. Exhale, bend forward, keeping the left foot flexed. And slowly come back up, open towards the right side. Bring the left hand on the inside of the left shin. Inhale, extend the right arm up. Exhale, bend towards the left. Coming into Parivritta Janushish Asana for 3, 2, 1. And slowly come back. Take the left arm up for a counter stretch. And come back and relax. Now bring the soles of the feet together and grab both the feet with the hands. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, start flapping the knees up and down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, start folding forward, bringing either your hands or the elbows on the mat. Breathing into the stretch in the inner thighs and hips. And then slowly come back up. We'll finish the session with a short pranayam practice. Let's come into an easy cross-legged sitting position, bringing the hands in Chinna Mudra on the knees. Bring the right hand in Vishnu Mudra by folding the index and the middle finger. Place the right thumb over the right nostril. Inhale through the left. Then block the left nostril with the ring finger and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Switch fingers and exhale through the left. Inhale left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale right. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going on, trying to make the exhalations longer than the inhalations. Last round. Slowly exhale from the left side and bring the right hand down, and let's take a few normal breaths before starting the next pranayam, which is Bhramari pranayam or the humming bee breath. Bring both the hands up on either sides of the ears. Close the ears with the thumbs and gently place the fingers over the eyelids. Take a deep breath in through the nose and we'll exhale out through the nose, making a deep humming sound. We'll do 5 rounds. Inhale. Slowly bring the hands down, keeping the eyes closed. We'll finish the practice with 3 Om chants. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands to heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Bring the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's session. I'll see you soon with the next practice. Till then, take care and bye-bye.